how to find or to download using Wi-Fi settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find or to download using Wi-Fi settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and then just click this one here. When connected on Wi-Fi, just click on it, and then here you can manage anything you want. You can turn everything off or on, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.